Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial of Filmora, we will learn how to change the aspect ratio of your video clips, how to remove any unwanted footage from your video, how to add or attach any video clip to your video. Let's begin the video. It is a part of a playlist of Filmora basic video editing skills. I will share the link of the playlist in the description and in the I button also. Please check it out. This playlist is created for the beginners of video editors who wants to learn basic video editing in Filmora video editing software. Let's begin the tutorial. For that, first you need a video in the timeline which I already have, and you can add any clip from this button. How can we change the aspect ratio of this particular video right now? This is in the 16 into 9 ratio. I want to change its aspect ratio. What will I do? Click on this small button, change project aspect ratio. Click here. Now you can make changes. For example, it is right now in 16 is to 9, means while screen drop down, there are so many other options given. So if I want to change this aspect ratio for my Instagram post, I can make it 1 is to 1. And if I want to create a portrait form, I will change it into 9 into 16 portrait ratio. 4 is to 3 is the standard, and 21 is to 9 is the cinema aspect ratio. You can also design custom aspect ratio by yourself. Let's see what happened if I use this Instagram aspect ratio. Frame rate we will keep 30 fps, and now press OK. The aspect ratio has been changed. Let's check another one. 9 is to 16. It is this one. If I want to change further, let's try. You may have noticed that when I change the aspect ratio here, the resolution of the video also be changed over here. Let's change it to cinema. Now you can see the aspect ratio is changed and the resolution also. If I press OK, it is this aspect ratio. Now let's use the original media. How can I cut an unwanted video clip in Filmora? Move your marker. For example, I want to cut from here. Move your marker here. Press this button and move till where you want to cut. Let's say I move my marker here to cut it, and I can also use this split button present over here, the scissors. Don't forget to select the clip. You can press the delete key from your keyboard to just delete this clip. Other way is you can add a track, video track. There is one more, and you can move this clip above there. Timestamp in your YouTube videos. You can move this clip anywhere in your video. I can move it back to join here. Timestamp, open this and move your cursor to the end where you want to join another video. Now drag it down to the timeline. Let's play it. You must have observed a little gap over here. If you want it to merge smoothly, what will we do? We go to the transition, click on the dissolve transition and bring it here in the center. Now let's see what happened. Your two clips joined smoothly. In today's tutorial, we have learned how to detach unwanted video clip from the video, Number two, how to attach a video clip in your video, and how to change the aspect ratio of your video. In the next video, we will learn adding soundtrack in Filmora. How to detach the sound clip, we already have learned in the previous video. I will share the link in the description and in the I button so that you can check out how to detach a voice clip from your video in Filmora. Press the thumbs up button if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and press the bell icon to get the notification timely. See you in the next tutorial in which we will learn how to add a sound clip in videos in Filmora. Till then, take care.